Through the long and weary night, I whispered prayers through tears I cried. When hope felt lost, you held me close. Your gentle voice restored my soul. The darkness tried to steal my song, but grace was there, still holding on. Now I see the breaking dawn. Your mercy sings, my fear is gone. There's joy in the morning when you call my name. Light in the shadows, my heart proclaims. You turn my mourning into dancing again. Jesus, you're my joy that remains. You take the ashes, make them new. Your promises are always true. Even when I cannot see, your peace is rising inside of me. The night may whisper doubt and pain, but sunrise comes with hope again. You lift my